What's up, guys? So today I'm going to talk about some batteries. When I bought my Mini Z, I bought the Kyosho Speedhouse, like the Mini Z branded battery. I want to say it was like 12 bucks for a set of four. So these are 750 milliamp hours. So you're going to get a little more power out of them and a little less runtime. So I'm a big Menards guy. That's why I bought the Master Force box and all that type of stuff. But when I was there, I saw that they have 1,000 milliamp hour Menards Northtech brand rechargeable AAAs, 1,000 milliamp hours. I put these, head and head with the Kyosho and, just like a standard alkaline battery you'd buy in the store that's not rechargeable. That one obviously had less performance, less runtime, but the Northtech ones, these for a pack of four were like $5.99, so you can almost get two packs for the price of one pack of the Kyosho. There is literally no difference in power that I could notice, no difference in runtime. I actually think that the Menards brand runs probably like a good 5 to 8 minutes longer than this, just full throttle, driving around. I highly recommend this. I don't know what you guys are doing for batteries. I know there's a bunch of cheap ones on Amazon and so forth, and you got to wait for them and shipping and all that stuff. But, as far as like ease of, getting, not having to wait for shipping, everyone has a Menards around them. Super good deal. I highly recommend it. Let me know what you guys are using. Leave some comments and stay tuned for next week's video. Thanks, guys.